Hi, I'm Sonia and I'm from Nature's Secret Timber Furniture and I'm at the Melbourne Home Show today. Just want to show you some of our products that we've got on the stand. This is our Gordon bed in stringy bark. There's some lovely grain structure in there. Everything that you see on the stand is made in Tasmania in our factory. We can custom make, we can change sizes, we can change the timbers. Also, if you've got designs that you'd like us to make, we can also do that too. This is our room divider here, which is also in stringy bark. This is particularly lovely because there's a lot of pinholes in this and a lot more grain structure in here. So now I'm going to show you our dining table over here, which is our showpiece. This is our dining table that extends from 2.1 to 5.7 meters and it comes with 18 chairs. If you want to enter the competition here at the Melbourne Home Show, you'll be in a chance to win this whole package, which is $15,000. So good luck guys, hopefully I'll see you at the Melbourne Home Show soon. Thank you.